the south of the Netherlands at Bastin nurseries, and they're having their annual hellebore weekends. And I must say, I feel like a kid in a sweet shop. They have so many wonderful varieties. I will definitely bring some home with me. For the last couple of years, I've been visiting their Hellebores weekend. It is where most of the hellebores in my garden come from, and I will definitely be adding more. When I passed the little greenhouse, some stunning varieties caught my eyes, so I think I'm going to start there. Look at all these gorgeous flowers. It truly is a sweet shop. I really like this peachy color. That is quite unusual for a hellebore. This one definitely goes home with me. This white variety is one of my favorites that I grow in my garden, packed with these gorgeous double flowers. Let's go outside and see what varieties they have over there. This is a variety called Double Beauty. And it truly is a beauty, with these gorgeous double flowers. Look how large these flowers are. Really, really pretty. I really like this variety. It is called Census, and it has these beautiful, large, soft pink flowers. And what I like about it is that they're flowering a little bit more upright, so that you can really have a good look at them. So this is definitely one that I'm going to bring home with me. I bought this one last year, really like it, and I will bring another one home with me. Spotted Beauty is a variety that I grow that I absolutely love. It has large single flowers. This is quite an unusual looking flower for a hellebore. A combination of lime green and pink. I absolutely love it. Look at this one. It's called Ruffleberry Anemone Red, and I think it's absolutely stunning. This is one of my all-time favorites. It is called Cinderella. This one is a hybrid called Rhythm. Enjoyed this video. When I get home, I will show you my new hellebores. Thank you ever so much for watching. Please subscribe to this channel for more videos. Hope to see you next time.